Stellar XLM holder, I am so happy. I'm very my friend spinning good now because my brother this time Stellar XLM plus 3.06% the price is increased now after a very long time, my friend. All coins in the crypto market will starting increasing now and pumps up. So therefore in this video I will notify you, my friends, to upcoming time what happening, and can there is a chance, my friends, to cut down the price will fail us down or they will move upward more. So everything with detail, my friends, we will predicate, we will do a technical analysis, all detail, my friend, in this video. So kindly, if you want to just and only get a very good profit, want to earn money in a crypto, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Stellar XLM, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend, in the crypto market, and this time, my friends, a lot of coins were very badly falls down, but Stellar XLM, one of the unique coin, my friends, to plus 3.06%. 3.06% in last 24 hours, they will get a profit now. But my friend, I know this too, in the previous days, my friend, Stellar XLM were also fails down. As you can see, my friend, in last 3 days, you can see here minus 3.02% they were fails down. So definitely the condition is very critical now, so therefore all coin, my friend, were fails down. So I will notify you, my friends, to don't see this short fails. I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will again take a very huge jump and they will give you a very good profit. So please don't worry, I am with you now. And absolutely, if you just only subscribe this channel, if you just only follow my advice, my price prediction, so I will give you guarantee to you will never lose and you will get a very good profit now. So thanks for watching Stellar XLM holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.